Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be another makeup basket videos, shop my stash, where I'm showing you items that I'm going to use along with project pan items. I'm doing this because sometimes I focus too much on project pan items and I'm ignoring other items in my collection, which is not good. So I am picking about 5 to 6 items per week. First, I'm going to show you, I'm actually picking them out of my collection, and then I'm going to recap last time. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so I think I'm going to start with some lip products, and last time I had 2 lipsticks. I think I just want to experiment with whatever lipstick I want, so I want to pick lip gloss this time. This is my lip gloss container. So, okay, this one I don't wear enough, but I do really like it, and that is Anastasia Toffee. So I think I'm gonna go with that. This Morphe one I wear pretty regularly, actually. Okay, this is something I've only worn once, and this is the NYX Duochromatic in the new normal. So it's a pink kind of duochrome. So I've only worn this once, so I think I'm gonna go with this. All right, as far as blush, I do want to pick something different. I love this Anastasia Glow Kit. I do wear it a lot though. I don't know. Maybe this Tarte blush kit. I don't wear this that much, and I know I really like it. Nudes, pinks, it kind of has it all. And as you see, I have not used it very much, so I think I'm gonna go with this. For bronzer and contour, I'm not sure. I'm still panning the butter bronzer. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. I have not used it in a while. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer in Queensland. Clearly inspired by Game of Thrones. There's a dragon. This is shimmery, so I like it on my cheeks, but I don't like it on my forehead. But I do like it, so going with this. All right, so this is the highlighter drawer. I think I do want to pick a highlighter. You know, last time I said I never use my highlighter kits, which is sad but true. I think I want to pick one of these. So I have this one, which is depotted highlighters. I love this, and actually I do reach into that quite a bit. This is in a ColourPop palette. This Anastasia Dream Kit, this is something I pretty much only use when I want one of the pink highlighters, so I don't think I'm gonna pick that. The Sugar Glow Kit, I know I love this one and I don't use it enough. I'm going with that. And this ColourPop one I really like. I need to put this in a future one. And the Aurora Glow Kit, haven't used that in a while, but we'll wait on those. Alrighty, this is one of my eyeshadow drawers, and I want to pick a palette. I don't want to go crazy. Last time I had 2 palettes, so I think I just want to go with one. Here I keep my Juvia's Place, and this is BH Cosmetics, the Profusion. Oh, this e.l.f. one is really good. I haven't used that in a while. Okay, I have not used this in a while, and I know I really like it. This is the Makeup Geek in the Nude palette. And this has the famous Grandstand in it, and other, what else does it have? Yeah, I don't know, it has tan lines. It has a lot of their really popular colors. I know I like this, and I've hardly used it, so I'm going with this. All right, let me recap last week's makeup basket for you. First up was, this is where I keep a lot of indie shadows, just Davina and M Cosmetics actually, and I really love these. Now, I obviously didn't use all of them in 1 week, but I actually used quite a few, and so these 4 are M Cosmetics, these are Davina. I like the Davina shadows, but the shimmers, they're subtle. So I actually wore some of these more colorful shades during the work week, which was kind of nice because usually my other intense colorful eyeshadows like Juvia's Place are really intense. So I don't know, these were kind of subtle. I wore them and I really like them. So yeah, this was good. I'm glad I used these because it had been a while. Other eyeshadow palette was this MAC quad. This is a really nice basic little quad. I gotta say I like it. It's called Point and Shoot, and I think most of the shades are actually limited edition. I don't even know. I bought this at a CCO, who knows? But it's just 4 matte shades and they're more cool toned, which was really nice. This black is really good and I'm wearing that today. I forget that MAC eyeshadows are actually really, really nice. So yeah, I'm glad I have this. It's a good little quad and I'm glad I used it. Also from MAC was the blush that I picked, the Mariah Carey blush in You've Got Me Feeling. And I totally forgot that this is nowhere near as hot pink on the face as it looks in the pan or even in a swatch. I swatched it last time for you guys and it's actually quite subtle and glowy on the face. It doesn't say the finish, but I wonder if it's a sheer tone. I don't know. Usually they say that, but it doesn't. Anyway, this packaging is amazing. And I guess I had stopped reaching for it because I forgot that it was actually subtle and glowy and not neon hot pink. So I'm really glad that I used this. For the highlight, I used Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in Beige. And again, I swatched this last time and I said it was really subtle and I wasn't too sure about it, but it's one of those that looks way better on the face and it's really finely milled. There's no glitters and I actually really liked this one too. And then I had 2 lipsticks. One was this Dose of Colors in Hey Girl. And I love this color, but I hadn't worn it in a while and I forgot that this is a really drying formula. I didn't like that, but it is long lasting on the lips, but it's pretty drying. That was kind of a bummer. But this is why I'm doing this, because now I know I'm not gonna get rid of it, but yeah, not my favorite formula. And the last item was this liquid lipstick by Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip in All Natural Nude. Now this one I did really like. I'm wearing this today. It's just a nude liquid lipstick, but I forgot that it's a very thin formula and I love it for layering. Some liquid lipsticks, as you've probably experienced, are really thick, so then when you try to put another lipstick or a lip gloss on top, it's really thick and goopy. This is a really thin formula, so you can layer other products on top, so I really, really liked this. All right, let me give you a quick recap of what I will be using this next week. First up was this Wet n Wild bronzer in Queensland. I think this was limited edition, but then they did release new bronzers that I think are permanent after this that seem similar, I don't know. This is the one that I'm pretty sure is Game of Thrones inspired. Let me give you a swatch. It's a pretty warm color, but you can't really tell in the swatch, but on the face it does have shimmer. So I don't like it on the forehead, but I do like it on my cheeks. So I need to use this some more. All right, then we have this blush palette by Tarte. This is Blush Bliss. This was limited edition, but they release these every year and they're always exactly the same. So here we have pinks and nudes. I really like it. Let's swatch this one. I don't even know if any of these are permanent. They're probably not, but Tarte has so many repetitive blushes in their collection. It's ridiculous, but I do really like this color for sure. I like them all, but I just have not used this enough. I'm actually really excited to use the Glow Kit because this may be my favorite Glow Kit. This is the Sugar Glow Kit. Some of these were in older Glow Kits that they had, and then I think one of them is new. My favorite, I know for sure, is Starburst. This one here, it has some pink in it. It's really pretty and it's pretty intense. So I'm really excited to use this. And then I picked 2 lip glosses. I decided not to go for any lipsticks. Anastasia Toffee, I really like this. I've mentioned though, I had a few of these go bad rather quickly, so okay, still smells good. They smell really sugary, and the other 2 I had, they went bad at around 6 to 9 months and they started to taste like disgusting chemicals and smell horrible, so, ooh. But anyway, this is a really pigmented lip gloss. You've seen these a million times. This is kind of a brownie nude. I do really like this one, so need to get some use on it. And then this duochrome one by NYX, I've only used this one time. Here is the swatch of this NYX one. And this, I only wore it once and I remember thinking, this doesn't look very duochrome when you actually put it on your lips. So I haven't worn it in a few months. I'm curious how this will go because when you look at this swatch, it kind of just looks like a pink lip gloss, which is what I remember it being on the lips. So we'll see. Last up is the Makeup Geek in the Nude palette. I'm really excited to use this. It has been a while. I think the last time I used this was last summer. I know, I'm terrible. I have so much stuff and I'm not rotating through enough, which is why I'm doing this. This has a lot of their really classic shades. This is Grandstand. This is In the Spotlight. What else? Tan Lines. So yeah, I have used this though several times and I do love it. I love the Makeup Geek formula. I really do. They sell a few new quads at Target now that I've been kind of tempted to get, but I don't know, they're not that unique, but it's a really nice formula. So I'm glad I got this palette, and I found this on HauteLook. So it was a decent deal. When these first came out, they were $54, which is pretty crazy, but I'm pretty sure she cut down the prices, which makes sense. But this is a really good palette, so I'm excited to use it. Alrighty, that is it for my makeup basket Shop My Stash update. I really enjoyed last week's products, well, minus the one lipstick, and I'm really excited to use these products. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think and have a great day.